Is building an app the big chunk of getting the job done?
It is a big chunk, but it isn't the big chunk.
What is the big chunk?
Well, there isn't one big chunk, okay? So your product is always really important, okay? So if your product is the app, obviously that's important, but it's probably never more than 30 or 40% of the overall things that you need to have. So you need to have a marketing strategy. You need to have a strategy for attracting team members that actually help you get to where you need to be. You need to have business skills. You need to be able to keep the lights on. You need to be able to not go broke before you actually succeed. So there are a lot of holistic business skills that are really important. And one of, I think, the really big benefits of what we do is that by using Bubble and using tools like Relevance and other no-code tools, you can keep that product part of your overall budget in line. You don't have to, you can still have room for all the other stuff that you need to get done. Whereas if you're 90% into the product, that means you've only got 10% left for everything else that has to get done.
So you've said that the product is obviously important, but it only accounts for maybe like 30 or 40% of this big pie of, getting the job done. What makes up the other 60%? Marketing.
Marketing.